I Veteran Tennis Classic start na Divi, ku gaan voor die man trempante ku anoche laat.
E aqui também a categoria está completamente llena, tanto na parte feminino como masculino. A temperatura na Chicago está pondo que tu grupo grande também dentro do torneio, mas a parte principal está para gostar de lo que Aruba tem para oferecer.
It's not hard when you live in Chicago and the temperature is in the 40s, 30s and 40s. It's awesome to be able to come here and do what we love to do, play tennis. It's like a family reunion. We're here every year. We've been coming for about 8 years, and we love it. Humphrey is a fantastic person, and we meet so many new friends here, and we keep in touch over the year. During the year, we keep in touch with some of the friends that we meet here, and we come back here, and it's like a family reunion. We hug and we rejoice and we party together. We play tennis. We're enemies on the court, but once we come off the court, we're friends again.
Every year you got new players coming over from Chicago?
Yes, we have regulars like me that comes every year. And then I have a couple of people in my group this year that this is their first time. So we're bringing in new people, and sometimes for whatever reason, people can't come, and new people come and take their place, and then maybe the next year they'll come back. So
staying a week on the island?
A week. Yes. An awesome week.
Yes?
Yes.
The tennis not so important, but to have a pleasant stay on the island is the best part of it.
Well, it's the best of both worlds. We get to come here for the sun and the beautiful atmosphere, beautiful island, and then we get to play tennis. And we love playing tennis, and we love the sun. So, and what I tell people is, I tell people I'm going to Aruba for a tennis tournament, and then when I think about it, I say, you know what? The tennis tournament is a byproduct. I'm going on vacation, and I'm going to play some fantastic tennis. Yes.
And how's the game? The game going good today?
Going good. Played my first match this morning. My partner and I won 0-2. So we have tomorrow off, and we'll play again on Saturday.
Está interessante. Tour, eu ganhei já para 8 anos também for de Chicago para participar do torneio.